Namaste. Simple warming and joint-free exercises before yoga practice. Let's start with simple jogging jumps. Do this at least 2 to 3 minutes with constant inhalations and exhalations. Slowly increase the speed. Now, head rotations. Inhale up, exhale down. Inhale up, exhale down. This loosens your neck muscles. Inhale up, exhale down. Repeat it 5 to 10 times on each side. Now relax. Inhale right, exhale left downward. Inhale, exhale right downward. Inhale left down. Repeat it 5 to 10 times on each side. Next variation. Relax. Inhale, left turn, right turn. Inhale, exhale, left turn. Inhale, exhale, right turn. Repeat this also at least 5 to 10 times on each side. Now, head rotation. Inhale, backward. Exhale, forward. Perform head rotation in both clockwise and anti-clockwise at least 5 to 10 times on each side. Do not do it in fast mode. Do it in slow mode and in relaxed breathing. At least 5 to 10 times on each side. Relax. Now, eye exercises. Up, down, up, down, up, down. Left, right, left, right, left, right, left up, right down, left up, right down, left up, right down, right up, left down, right up, left down, right up, left down, right up, left down. Rotation clockwise, anti-clockwise. Repeat these eye rotations at least 5 to 10 times on each. Blink your eyes, relax. Now, elbows, wrist and shoulder lubrication. Free your elbows, wrists and shoulder joints by doing rotations, wrist rotation and variations. This makes your joints free and lubricant before entering into yoga asanas. Inhale, raise your hands, exhale, down. Shoulder rotation. Inhale while moving your hands up, exhale while downing them. Do it in clockwise and anti-clockwise. Repeat it at least 5 to 10 times on each side. Hip roll. Do it in clockwise and anti-clockwise. Repeat this also at least 5 to 10 times on each roll. Side bend stretches. Variation 1. This loosens your hip muscles. Side bend stretches variation 2. Now Body twisting or torso twisting. Inhale while coming to front, exhale while twisting back. Whole body stretch with hands raised upwards. Inhale while raising your hands, exhale while coming down. Repeat this at least 5 to 10 times on each side. Now, knee rotation. Place your palms gently on the knee and rotate them clockwise and anti-clockwise. Do it at least 5 to 10 times on each direction. Do not press your palms on knees, just place them smoothly. Now, ankle rotation. Do it in clockwise and anti-clockwise on each leg. Repeat them 5 to 10 times. Forward stretches or forward bends. Repeat them 5 to 10 times. These will stretch your spine, hamstrings and hands, which will help you to bend easily. This also relaxes your hips and make them more stretched. Swing. Lightly swing while bending. Inhale while going up, exhale while coming down. Now, relax with small jumps. Do cardio exercises by raising your hands and downing them. Inhale while rising up, exhale while lowering. Clap in between. Repeat them 5 to 10 times each. Relax. Simple jumps to relax your body. Simply jump. These will make you stretch and get ready for yoga practice. Thank you.